So question number 9, exercise 4.3. So now write down. So 4.3, question number 9. So next write down that two water tap together can, now see, smaller tap can fill the tank in 1 hour 1 by x part, and larger tap can fill the tank in 1 hour 1 by x minus 10 part. So the two water tap together can fill the tank in, now see, the two water tap can fill the tank in how many hours? In 9 upon 3 by 8 hours, yes or no? This is given in the question that two water tank fill the tank in 9 upon 3 by 8 hours. So write down two water tank, two water tap together can fill the tank in 9 upon 3 by 8 hours. That is, if you break this, that is your 8 9 is 72, 75 hours, 75 by 8 hours. So two water tap together can fill the tank is 9 upon 3 by 8 hours, that is 75 by 8 hours, yes or no? So now see, two water tap together can fill the tank in 75 by 8 hours. So two water tap together can fill in 1 hour how many parts? Two water tap together can fill the tank in 9 upon 3 by 8 hours, that is 75 by 8 hours. In 75 by 8 hours, the two water tap together can fill the tank. So the two water tap together can fill the tank in 1 hour. How many parts of tank can we fill by the two water tap in these hours?
8,
It will be,
8
yes,
by
8 by
75.
75, yes, good. So two water tap together can fill in 1 hour, so it will be 8 by 75 hour. Now see, smaller tap can fill the tank in 1 hour in 1 by x part, and larger tap can fill the tank in 1 hour 1 by x minus 10 part. So two water tap together can fill the tank in 1 hour 8 by 75 hour. So what will be this one? 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 equal to 8 by 75. It will be not part hour, it will be part. Yes or no? That means two water tap can fill the tank in this hour. So two water tap together can fill in 1 hour. It will be 8 by 75 part. So that means smaller tap can fill the tank in 1 hour 1 by x part, and larger tap can fill the tank in 1 hour 1 by x minus 10 part. So that means 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 equal to 8 by 75. Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear? Yes. So write down next. So according to question, 1 by x by 1 by x minus 10 will be equal to 8 by 75. Now take the LCM, x into x minus 10. If you multiply, then it will be x minus 10 plus x will be 8 by 75. Yes or no? Now see, it will be, when you add it, it will be your 2x. So 2x minus 10 by x square minus 10x equal to 8 by 75. Now cross multiply it. 2x into 75, it will be 150x minus, it will be 750. Yes or no? 750. Then 8x square minus 80x. Now do one thing, take this term into right hand side. Then it will be 8x square minus 80x minus 150x plus 750 will be equal to 0. Now 8x square, it will be 80 minus 150 minus 80 minus 150, so it will be 230x plus 750 equal to 0. Now see, we need the product 750 into 8. Yes or no? You have to break 230. Now if you multiply 8 into 750, it will be 8 0 is 0, 8 5 is 40, 4 carry, 8 7 is 56, 56 plus 4, 60, so 6000. Again, if you now see, if you like do like this, 2 minus 200 minus 30, then if you multiply minus 200 and minus 30, then it will be again 6000. Yes or no? Minus minus plus. So that means you have to break this one as 200 minus 200x minus 200. This will be x. So minus 200x minus 30x. So it will be 8x square minus 200x minus 30x plus 750 will be equal to 0. Now here you can take 8x common, so it will be x minus 25. Here we can 30 common, then it will be x minus 25 equal to 0. So it will be x minus 25 minus 8x minus 30 will be equal to 0. So it will be either x minus 25 equal to 0 or 8x minus 30 equal to 0. So here it will be x will be 25 or 8x will be 30. So x will be 30 by 8. So it will be 15 by 4. Now see, we have got two values of x. One is 25, one is 15 by 4. Yes. Now see, this is the time taken by the what? Time taken by the smaller step. So now see this one. Now if you take x equal to 25, then time taken by the larger pipe will be how much? X minus 10 hours. So it will be 25 minus 10 hours. So it will be 15 hours. Again, if you take x equal to the next value, what is the another value? 15 by 4. Now if you take x equal to 15 by 4, 15 by 4, then time taken by the larger pipe will be x minus 10 hours. Now put x equal to 15 by 4 minus 10 hours. So now it will be 15 minus 40. So it will be minus 25 by 4 hours. But see, but if you take x equal to 15 by 4, then time taken by the larger pipe will be negative. But time cannot be negative, yes or no?
Yes.
That's why the value of x cannot be 15 by 4. So write down which is logically not possible. Which is logically not possible. So let me after this line. So which is logically not possible. So time taken by the smaller pipe will be 25 hour, yes or no? 25
Yes.
hour and time taken by the larger pipe will be how much? 15 hours. Yes, clear?
Sir, clear.
So today we will end our class here. So question number, your question number, your this one, question number 7, not 7, 8, and question number 11. 7 and 11 do your homework. 10 I will solve tomorrow. Okay. 7 and 11 do your homework. 10 I'll solve tomorrow. And those who miss the class, I will upload the video in YouTube. Okay. So thank you.